Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Johnny G, and today we're going to review the Chris Reeve Inkosi. This is the Chris Reeve Inkosi. A knife that doesn't ask for attention, it earns it. Built like a tank, finished like a high-end watch. But is it worth the premium price? Let's take a look. The Inkosi is the evolution of the Chris Reeve Sebenza. With tighter tolerances, a bolder design, you've got a titanium frame lock, S45VN or Magnacut steel, a ceramic ball interface, and that classic Reeve hydraulic feel when you open it. It's not flashy, it's precision that whispers. Ergos are classic Reeve, neutral, comfortable, and built for long cuts. The jimping is soft, the lock bar is easy, and the clip rides deep without tearing your pocket. You forget it's there until you need it, and then it just works. Whether you're slicing cardboard or prepping lunch, it feels confident in hand. The Inkosi comes razor sharp out of the box. It's the most consistent. The edge holds, the pivot stays smooth, and the disassembly is almost surgical thanks to the simple screw design. A little fluorinated grease and you're good to go for another year. No gimmicks, just honest craftsmanship. The frame is all titanium. The lockup is solid. You never have to worry about it closing, unless you want it to. But at $450 to $600, depending on the size and the steel, this is a buy once, cry once knife. Not for the trend chasers, or for the people who not for the trend chasers. This is for people who appreciate over-engineering done right. You'll either get it or you won't. If you want something that feels alive every time it opens, the Inkosi delivers. Here's the Inkosi compared to a couple other popular EDC knives. Here we have a Microtech Ultratech. And here we have a Spyderco PM2. If you want something that feels alive every time it opens, the Inkosi delivers. Made in the USA with premium components, if you want something that delivers and feels alive every time it opens, the Inkosi is for you. Subscribe for more gear that earns its keep. This is Life with Johnny G. Stay sharp.